Okay, hey, global issues and government students. I'm kind of just going to shoot one video because you guys are doing a lesson that's almost identical. So, don't get confused. This is for both my global issues class and my government class. It just so happened, like, I didn't really plan it this way, but it just so happened you guys are both kind of at a stopping point of a unit at the exact same day. And what I'd like to do is have you guys take just a short quiz. They're I think global issues is like 15 questions and government is 20 questions. So they're not super lengthy, but I'd like you to take a short quiz on Schoology just kind of as a review, and also to kind of let me know, like, okay, did we grasp most of those concepts with online learning? Is there maybe a couple that we need to go back to, that we just didn't really do so great on? And also just to kind of give you an idea of, like, okay, how's this online learning thing going? Like, am I getting it? Are we doing all right? Okay. Now let me give you a couple, reassurances here. First, like, this is only graded in Schoology. All right. So what I mean is, like, Schoology is going to grade it and it's going to check it and it's going to give you the correct answers at the end. Okay. And it'll give you a score, of course. But I'm only grading these quizzes on effort and participation for your Skyward grade, right? So you should have gotten the all call, the call and the email from Mrs. Brosamley yesterday. So you should know, of course, that at this point, everything's just pass fail. So in other words, if you put in the effort, if you take the time on the quiz, if you give it a true shot, right, and see what you know, then you get credit for it, okay? And you might say, well, how are you going to know that? Well, of course, if you miss every single question, like, I'll realize that you're not putting any effort in, okay? But the other thing is that Schoology allows me to see how long you are taking the quiz for, okay? So if you take it for, 10 seconds and then submit, then I'll know that you put zero effort into it, right? Now, the only other thing is, and again, I don't want this to take, my point is, though, not to take an hour to take this quiz, right? If it takes you longer than 15 to 20 minutes, then, you're just taking too much time, okay? 20 minutes is as long as I want you to take on this thing. You can use any materials that we've used in class. You could, look back at any notes that you maybe have taken. You could even Google things, although I don't know, that's really exactly what I want you to do. Okay, but yeah, you can spend some time looking back to find the answer. That's fine. But I don't want you to spend hours and hours researching these questions and freaking out that you might miss one. Okay, it's just, again, to benefit you and me as a teacher and a student to see kind of what did we grab, what did we not grab. Okay, because again, I want to make this online learning thing better for you in the future. And so this will give me some feedback to kind of do that. Okay, and it'll give you some feedback. So, all right, I'll wrap up the video. Again, these instructions are both the same for global issues and for my government classes, so don't get confused there, right? In this video, I'm talking to both. And I gave detailed kind of instructions and stuff in my instructions page for the day, for the lesson. You could look back and read those through again. So, all right, good luck. Hopefully the quizzes will prove helpful and even kind of easy because you're remembering a bunch of stuff.